Hi everyone, I will show you how to share Instagram story to Facebook. First of all, open the Instagram app and swipe right, then tap here and select the picture. Then you need to hold your story and also tap the Facebook story. Now the story will be applied on Instagram and Facebook. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.